In this video, I will show you how to create your Truth Social account. Now, after downloading the Truth Social app, you need to open it. Then tap this button to start creating a new account. And you can also create your account through your browser on truthsocial.com. The next thing is to enter your date of birth, then your email address, and verify it, and also enter your password. And after that, you need to enter your username and agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy of Truth Social, and your account will be ready. And from there, you can go on to choose your profile picture and enter your display name and bio and upload a cover image. And if you want to turn on notifications, you can do so. Then follow at least 2 accounts and go on to view your feed. And if you tap your profile picture above here, you can go on to edit your profile, make some settings, and a few other profile details. And down here, you can compose a truth, which is basically a post, join auto creating group, and search for other users and other info. You can also access your alerts, auto notifications, and also send and receive messages. And to create another Truth Social account, you will need to log out of your existing account and use a different email address to create a new account. And to delete your Truth Social account, you need to go to settings, then start deleting your account down here, where you need to enter your password to confirm your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Truth Social and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.